guys, this is a part 2 of a video, and I can tell I am mixing stuff with slime. But you might want to go check out that video first. I have it linked in the description. And so far this looks like barf. Blue barf. Oh, shoot my brain. That's not good. But that looks really cool. It's got like some purple, some white, and it's got all this pretty sparkles in it. Ah! And this is slime. Go check out that other video. We linked in the description. And you'll see what all I put in it. So, that's all for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye!